Hi there. In today's video in VinylCut we'll be looking at multiple ways to duplicate an object or shape and also the autofill option. Just a quick intro here. So today's video and more videos like this can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we have quite a variety of different software we cover. And also we upload videos daily, so just keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, we head back in the program here. Just remove this large icon. So now the most common way to duplicate an object is obviously just the copy paste. So on top here, click copy, then you click paste, and it makes a duplicate for you, so you can move this around where you want it. Another way we can do it, which kind of like helps with your workflow to keep it fast, is having your object selected. If you keep Alt in on your Windows and you click and drag, then you will see that will make duplicates for you. It's a very handy little shortcut, or rather hotkey to navigate with. Anyway, so another way we can do this is we can go on top to Object, and then we'll navigate to duplicate. Now we'll cover duplicate rotate in another video. For now we'll just do the duplicate. Then I'll pop up this pop-up box. So now our first one is total columns. So this will be how many is next to each other. Then we have total rows, how many is on top of each other. And then we've got horizontal spacing, so spacing between them, going on your horizontal axis, and vertical. We also have group duplicate. So if we select this after it's been duplicated, then it will put it all into one group folder. So instead of having your layers panel here full of little emojis, if we say OK, you'll see now we only have one, and if we open the group, all your emojis in there. So this helps if you want to just easily move all those groups together. And obviously, just a reminder to ungroup it, you can just head to Object, Ungroup, and the control shortkey for that is Control Shift G. Okay, and then let's just look at another option, and that will be the autofill paste. So if we copy this again, then we go to Edit, and we say Paste Autofill. So that's Control Shift plus Alt plus V. That's quite a shortcut key. In any case, so if we select this, now you can see it fills the whole canvas. So if you're going to be doing mass printing of a sticker or something like that, and you want to try utilize as much canvas space as you can, then this is a great feature to quickly get everything on the canvas just by simply going copy it. Then again, you go to Edit, and go to Paste Autofill. And yeah, so that is the basics and some. Obviously, yeah, sorry, to keep in mind, it will leave your original there. So just make sure you remove that one from the canvas before you hit it, send it to the cutter. But otherwise, yeah, that is the basics and some advanced features on duplicating in VinylCut. So if we just quickly head over to the website here. So if you navigate to softwaretraining.co.za, you'll be able to find this video and more videos surrounding this software. We also have quite a variety of different software we do cover, and also we have a search option if you want to isolate something. And then if you don't find what you're looking for even after all of that, just go and request a training video, then we'll make that for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.